Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain to show you exactly how to set up IPTV Smarters Pro perfectly in just a matter of minutes, like a top-tier tech expert. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned pro, stick with me, and you absolutely cannot go wrong. Before we get your device fully optimized and flying, there is one super important disclaimer we need to get out of the way. IPTV Smarters Pro is just an incredibly powerful empty shell, a media player. It provides absolutely zero content on its own. To protect your online security and privacy, please make sure that any media you plug into it comes from a 100% legal and verified service provider. If you want to be the first to get your hands on these rarely shared hardcore optimization tricks, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's dive right in. When you boot up IPTV Smarters Pro for the first time, you're going to see a Terms of Service screen. Don't panic, this is just standard protocol to make sure we're all playing by the rules. Just go ahead and click Accept. Next up, you'll be hit with two main options on your screen. Think of them as two paths to the ultimate setup: loading an M3U playlist or logging in with the Xtream Codes API. Let's talk about the first route, the M3U playlist. Think of this as an incredibly detailed treasure map. If your service provider handed you a super long URL that looks like a bunch of gibberish, this is what you need. Click this option, name your playlist, whatever you want, and then very carefully type in that exact URL character for character. Once you're done, hit Add User. In just a few seconds, your massive channel library is going to magically load up, ready for you to explore. But if you ask me, I highly recommend the second route, Xtream Codes. If M3U is the map, Xtream Codes is the secret passcode that gets you straight into the hidden VIP room. Not only does this method load way faster, but it also keeps your interface looking incredibly clean and professional. Your provider is going to give you three core pieces of info: a short server URL, a username, and a password. Treat these like top secret intel. Just plug them into the corresponding boxes, double check for typos, and hit Add User. Boom, magic time. All your categories, movies, and TV shows will instantly populate right in front of your eyes. Now, I know the burning question you're all asking right now: where do I actually get these links and passwords? The answer is super simple, and it's the most critical step. You need to subscribe to a legitimate, reliable service provider. Once you sign up, they will shoot these login credentials straight to your email, or you can reach out to their support team directly to grab your specific configuration details. Listen to me carefully here. Stay far away from those sketchy, free, hacked versions you see floating around the internet. Not only does it violate terms of service, but it puts your device at massive risk. Spending a few bucks on a rock-solid provider is 100% worth it. And that wraps up today's ultimate configuration guide. If you run into any network blocking issues during your setup, or if you need one-on-one free troubleshooting assistance, go ahead and click the link in the pinned comment down below. My tech team and I will personally walk you through it and get you sorted out. Finally, if you got value out of this video, please smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of the hardcore streaming tricks I share here. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.